Hi everyone, this is Andrea and welcome back to my channel. So as promised, I am back to do an unboxing video for you guys. So I've got the Charlotte Tilbury The Love Bag limited edition from the Christmas 2024. So this is the first item that I grabbed, one of two. So let's just open this beautiful piece right here and ready. Ta-da! This is how it looks like. Oh my goodness me. I love the packaging. It's all in pink box, so fancy, and just looks so luxurious, and I'm loving it. So this is the dust bag in satin material. I love it. And it's got the Charlotte Tilbury logo that says I love you. Ready? In 3, 2, 1. Let's have a look. Oh my goodness me. Look at that. This is a heart bag. I really love it. The size is very decent. It's in rose gold hardware. I just fall in love with the Charlotte Tilbury logo on the front. And that's the sides, the back. So to open this and look at the pull zip string, it's in a heart-shaped rose gold material or hardware, and it includes a removable chain strap. It's in this packet with the Charlotte Tilbury logo as well. So let's just open this. Beautiful. I love it. OMG. Actually, this is my first ever Charlotte Tilbury. I haven't actually tried their makeup as yet, but I might do now. So, ta-da! This is so perfect for the upcoming Valentine's Day, you guys. And I really love it. It's in a, as you could see, it's in a patent faux leather material. Unfortunately, this is not a genuine leather. Of course, what will you expect? I only got this one for £54, but I just love it. You can never go wrong with this beautiful piece right here. You can, well, this one is a crossbody or as a shoulder bag. So perfect for a night out. So there you are, you guys. That is my Charlotte Tilbury heart bag in patent faux leather, bright red, and I love it. I can't wait to wear this one on Valentine's Day. Thank you, VGF Carms, for getting this one for me. I love it. Bye. Mwah.